Stop paying premium prices for Claude and ChatGPT. Today we are going to cover the secret Qwen 3.5 release, which is letting the developers in India build massive high CPM apps for literal pennies. Let's see how. The massive AI models that you are paying top dollars are burning a hole in your pocket for absolutely no reason. If you are building tech, running an agency, or bootstrapping a startup, the game has fundamentally shifted. Today we are breaking down the Qwen 3.5 evolution. The basic architecture of these models is the MOE architecture or mixture of experts. This means that these models have huge brains for tiny activation costs. Let's look at the lineup of the models released. First, we have the flagship A17B model, which has 397 billion total parameters, but it only activates 17 billion per prompt. This allows it to run at massive efficiency comparable to the other AI giants. Next is the Reasoner, the A10B model, designed for complex multi-step workflows using just 10 billion active parameters. Finally, we have the Miracle model, the 35B A3B. This efficiency king actually outperforms older 235 billion parameter models while activating just 3 billion parameters, meaning you can literally run it on a medium-end laptop. Next, we'll look at their native agentic powers. The Qwen 3.5 family isn't just about text. First, they are visual agents. This means the AI natively sees the images and screens, navigate UIs, read pixel-perfect elements, and can automatically fill out forms. Second, you get a massive 1 million context window. You can dump entire code bases or dozens of financial reports into it without needing complex RAG pipelines. Third, it has native tool use built in. It can do web scraping, run code interpretations, and directly pull data from APIs with perfect precision. And lastly, for the international market, it boasts deep cultural nuance by supporting 201 languages, a massive jump from its previous 119, giving you the total global dominance. Now let's look at the actual benchmark numbers. Look at the official scorecards. The A17B model completely dominates in instruction following on IF-Bench benchmark, scoring 76.5, which beats out GPT 5.2 and completely crushed Claude Opus 4.5. When it comes to document recognition and understanding, Qwen 3.5 hits a staggering 90.8, again outperforming both GPT 5.2 and Claude. For agentic search on BrowseComp, it scores a massive 78.6, blowing past the competition. But here is the real kicker. You're getting all this reasoning power hitting around 76.4% on SWE bench for coding, while operating 6x cheaper than Claude Opus. You're getting bleeding edge pro-level intelligence at output speeds of roughly 218 tokens per second. This is massive. So what is the community pulse on this? Developers are obsessed with the local capabilities. The sentiment is the vibe is local. People are running the 35 billion model on their own hardware, getting insane performance without their laptop fans ever spinning up. However, we do need to note some growing API pains because of the sparse routing in the MOE architecture. Next, look at how you can build high CPM monetization apps with this. First is the visual support agents. You can build a vision app with Qwen models to watch a user screen and fix technical issues autonomously. Second idea is to hit the global content hubs. Use the 201 language adaptability power of the Qwen models to build highly localized SEO apps in untapped markets. Or you can build local ad software as a service apps. Just sell privacy-first AI tools to enterprises that can run entirely on their own internal hardware using the 35 billion models. Next, how to use these models yourself. Just head over to the link given in the description to open up the Hugging Face page of the Qwen models. Here you can check their whole Qwen page and you'll see all the models listed under the 3.5 category here. Let's say if I open their flagship model A17B, to use this model I can click on this link and then the transformers library. Then you can use this code to set up the pipeline for the Qwen model. This will download the model using the transformers library. You can paste this code in any Python IDE like Google Colab, Google Antigravity, or VS Code. Or you can directly chat with these models using the Qwen chat site. Just go to chat.qwen.ai. You will see the Qwen 3.5 models listed here. You can select any one of and can post your queries here. Start building workflows with these powerful models and follow the channel for more AI builds and updates.